Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy, my channel's Finding Value. Today we're going to go over gold and silver technical analysis. I don't have too much of the training session, but we're going to look at the dollar, and then we're going to look at some of the ETFs and some of the individual stocks to give us a better picture of what gold and silver is doing. Again, what we're looking for is a mismatch between buyers and sellers. We're looking for big, large up days, which means we have strong buying pressure. And then we want the small little down days saying that the buyers are still in control and it's just a little bit of sellers leaking off. Most of the time when you see a big uptrend, you'll see large up days and then the small little down days next to it. It means the buyers are in control and we're pushing the stocks higher. So let's go in there and take a look and see what we've got for gold and silver. So here's the dollar. I'm going to start with the dollar. We've got this ascending wedge pattern and it broke to the downside. How long is this going to last? We'll see. It's a little, hopefully this thing kind of blows out to the downside here. It's going to help be a tailwind to gold and silver and all the commodities. On a bigger picture view, kind of stepping back, we've got this nice kind of support line here at about 90, just under 90. And we're coming on down and we're looking for a break of 90. If it breaks below 90, I think we could jet down to 84 pretty quick. So 90's, just under 90 is the line in the sand for a large move down in the dollar and up in, I think, gold, precious metals and commodities. GDX, we've got our small little down day. That's kind of what I was expecting. We had a nice big bullish engulfings all through here. We popped higher. We pulled back a little bit. And then I still think the bias is to the upside. I still think it's going to go higher here. SILJ, same move, nice little small down day right here. We've got the bullish engulfings. So it comes up, little momentum reverse. The reversal wasn't very harsh. I think we're still going to head higher. Upward bias. Franco-Nevada, I thought we were going to get a little bloody nose. Usually this is a little down day, but we got a little up day today. Still looking fantastic. And of course, this thing could pull back a little bit before moving higher, or we could just go higher. Either one, but we broke. The important thing is we broke this resistance line to the upside. We've got nice big bullish engulfings all kind of down in here for the launch. So it looks good. Wheat and precious metals is also looking pretty good. We came back, popped higher with a small little down day today. So we popped up, small down day. I don't think there's too many sellers left, and I think we'll move higher. Teuton Resources, just to cover this small little royalty company up in the Golden Triangle of Canada. Nice big moves higher here, slow leak off of sellers. Big move up, slow leak off. Putting a little tail on it, and hopefully we move on higher here in the short term. Yamana Gold showing some strength, so we're starting to see strength in some of the individual companies. I like to see this. That looks good. Endeavor Silver, nice little pop higher with a small little down day, staying above the 200 day. Looks good to move higher, I think. We've got First Majestic Silver Corporation. We pulled on back. Got a couple of little bullish engulfings in here. The sellers are not really dominant in here, so I think the selling pressure is kind of resided. We need the buyers to step in and push higher. Anglo American Platinum, nice downtrend break here. Downtrend line, we were coming on down, broke to the upside, and of course this could pull back, but the sellers really didn't stomp on this thing today, so maybe we go higher. Impala Platinum, we got the downtrend line. We broke to the upside. Small little down day. I think it's going to be path of least resistance higher. And then we've got PLG. PLG broke its downtrend line right here. We're right there trying to break it. Hopefully we break it and move to the upside. So that's what we got for gold and silver. Everything's looking pretty good to move higher. And right now, we're breaking these downtrend lines, at least in some of these platinum companies. I'd say they're game on. We broke the downtrend, so path of least resistance is now higher. So what I'm looking for, again, big up days, big buying pressure, small down days, small selling pressure. We want to see that mismatch, which means we're going to go on higher. Everything looks good. So if you guys like this content, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And thank you for listening. This is Finding Value.